Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today we are going to discuss about nutrition in human beings. As in our previous lecture, we have discussed nutrition in protozoans, particularly nutrition in amoeba. Okay? We have discussed about 5 steps, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Let us start nutrition in human beings. Human beings are omnivorous. What is the meaning of omnivorous? Omnivorous means human beings can directly feed on plants as well as they can obtain their nutrition from herbivore or carnivore animals too. Clear? They feed on different parts of the plants like root, shoot, fruit and seeds. They also consume animal products like egg, meat and milk. The food we eat is broken down into simpler molecules in the digestive system. What is digestive system? Alimentary canal along with accessory glands. This makes human digestive system. Clear? What are accessory glands? Accessory glands, that is liver, pancreas and salivary gland. These also help in digestion. Then how you can define digestive system? Alimentary canal along with accessory glands. This makes the digestive system of human being. Clear? Digestive system comprises the following two group of organ. What are those? That is alimentary canal. It is about 9-meter long coiled food tube which opens at both ends. It begins with mouth and ends with anus. It is divided into following compartments, that is buccal cavity, esophagus, also called food pipe, then pharynx, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum and then anus. This is alimentary canal. Now accessory gland are digestive glands. These make and store digestive juices or digestive enzymes. These include salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Clear? Alimentary canal divided into buccal cavity, mouth or buccal cavity, then pharynx, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine. Small intestine further divided into three smaller parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. And large intestine also divided into three parts, that is cecum, colon and rectum. Clear? Now let us start one by one. First one, that is buccal cavity or oral cavity or mouth. Buccal cavity is the space where food is chewed, softened and mixed with saliva. Its opening is called mouth. Mouth. It is bordered by an upper and lower jaw. The jaw are covered by cheeks on the side and by lips in the front. Lips are soft, movable and sensitive structures. Clear? They help in sipping and sucking liquid and in taking the food. Teeth. That is very important. Teeth are hardest non-bony structures. These are partially embedded in the bony sockets of the jaw bones. That means thecodont. Means those teeth which are embedded in sockets. They are called as thecodont. Human teeth. Thecodont teeth fasten in the socket of jaw bones. That is called as thecodont. Heterodont teeth of different types. Clear? Diphicodont. What is the meaning of diphicodont? Diphicodont means the teeth in human being grow 2 times. Means that is develop twice. First as milk teeth and later on as permanent teeth. Type of teeth: incisor, help in cutting. Canines, help in tearing and piercing. Premolar, help in grinding and mixing. Molars, these are also help in grinding and mixing. Adult human has 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. These are of 4 types. Their shape, number and functions, as I told you. Next, that is palate. The roof of buccal cavity is formed of hard and soft palate. It separates buccal cavity from nasal chambers. Clear? What are palates which separate the buccal cavity from nasal chambers? Tongue. Tongue is flat, muscular, protrusible structure attached to the floor of buccal cavity. It bears taste buds to taste the food. Tongue help in manipulating the food during chewing and swallowing. Glands. Mucus glands in the cheek lining secrete mucus. It lubricates food, making it easier to chew and swallow. 3 pairs of salivary glands pour their secretions, that is saliva, in the buccal cavity. Next we will discuss pharynx, then esophagus and stomach in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.